Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to be discussing money. We're going to be talking about bank accounts and stuff like that because this is kind of what I've been getting asked recently about if you should look into getting a separate bank account for your business. I recently just did a tax information video, so if you have questions about taxes, I recommend you check that video out. And I recently noticed that majority of people who watch my videos aren't subscribed. So if you're coming back to watch more content, because I share everything about business, I'm sharing all of my journey, I'm sharing everything. I recently just shared how I got over 100 orders off of a sale. Like, I am dropping everything. So if you would like more information, make sure you subscribe so that you don't miss any more videos. This video is going to be very basic, very simple. This is going to kind of give you the overview, so this will maybe kind of give you an idea of what you want to do for your business. So I first want to say, because always the question is, do I need a separate bank account for my business? I would actually recommend it because it helps separate your money from your business money. So let's say you even have like a full-time job, a part-time job. You have extra income here, but you don't want it to mix together with your business income. You don't want to spend your money from your business on groceries or like buying clothes or anything like that. You kind of would rather have your money separate, either to invest back into your business or pay yourself out of. You have more control over that. But I will say it's not necessary in the beginning, and if you are organized with your money, you definitely can do it without a business account. So a business bank account is literally a separate account that you can open at your bank. So it's going to definitely depend on your bank, on how your bank handles business accounts. For me, I'm in a credit union. Credit unions normally are like, I absolutely love my credit union, but to open a business account with my credit union, it was not worth it for me for where I'm at right now. My business isn't ginormous yet, so it's not necessary. I'm extremely organized. I track my finances manually through an Excel sheet. So I'm able to track money in, money out. I personally set up my Shopify account to pay me out once a month. So every time I get paid out once a month, I divide up that money and I do it all myself. But I have found a way to kind of like bypass that, and I will share that with you later on in the video. But a business account can be really beneficial, help you organize your money. I've even seen some bank accounts can help you just transfer your money into QuickBooks. So if you are working on accounting, tracking your money, it'll be super easy that way. Obviously, it's just the big benefit is to separate your money so that you aren't spending your money, and it's easier to organize. I did in the very beginning was actually I created a separate savings account for my business account. And what I did was every time I got paid out from Shopify, I sent it to that savings account. Then what I would do is divvy it up. So I would put a percentage for taxes, a percentage to pay me, and a percentage for back into the business. So that's all dependent on you, because another question I always get asked is, how do you pay yourself? That is completely up to you. I know businesses that always pay themselves a flat rate no matter what their expenses are. I personally do it by a percentage, which I do need to adjust now that I recently filed my taxes. I need to adjust my percentages a little bit, but I give myself a percentage. I don't live off of my business yet. Well, actually, I don't know. I just feel like more money is more money, right? So I don't know. I'm gonna always try to make as much money as I can. But anyways, so again, it's going to be completely up to you. There is no one answer to solve all of these problems because everybody's bank is different. The income that you get from your business is going to be different. If you push more products than I do and you need to organize your money better, I would recommend talking to a financial advisor, which is actually highly recommended. I would seriously recommend that. And then actually talk to them. If they find an easier way for you to help manage your money for your business, that might be helpful. But you definitely can do it manually if you are organized and know what you're doing, because my percentages and stuff came from my financial advisor based on the money I make and the income I make from my business. Really important. It also helps track for your tax write-offs if you are spending, how you're spending for your business. But what actually I found was I got another credit card for my business expenses. So I can keep track of every single thing I'm spending on my business, and then when it comes time to pay off that credit card at the end of the month, I use the money that I get from Shopify to pay off that credit card. I roughly know how much, I've been in business for a while, I know roughly how much I can spend on the credit card that I will get back in my expenses. So it kind of like, that's not, I wouldn't recommend that for everybody. And if you are scared of a credit card or that's too much money, I definitely recommend don't doing that. Obviously do that when you are more secure, but it's an option to kind of bypass if you don't want to do a business credit, a business account. Down the line, I do plan on switching to a business account. I'm just not there yet. I'm able to manage money on my own. I'm also thankful because my mom is an accountant, so she helps me organize my money. And that's why also with like the business aspect, the financial aspect, I gave you guys as much as I can, but ultimately I would recommend that you seek some professional help, especially when it comes to your finances. Like I shared with you guys before, you do not want to get in trouble with like the IRS. You don't want to go with showing up missing money. You want it all to be documented. You want it to be organized. You want it all to be very, very well organized. Because another question I get asked is, how do I itemize my items, like what I spend and stuff? Using my credit card helps me keep track. I print everything out, receipts and everything. And because I use Shopify, I'm able to see how much I'm spending on shipping and taxes and stuff like that. So that's really, really helpful. Shopify is great. I love Shopify, except one of the days they were actually down, which is super annoying. But other than that, I haven't experienced any problems with Shopify. I really like Shopify. So I hope that kind of just gives you an overview on how about separating your money for your business and kind of like why you would want to, just kind of like a basis. You definitely can do more research to figure out what will work best for your business, because my business is different than your business. It's completely different and it's up to the individual. And again, how much money are you making? How well are you just not organized and you would rather have a bank account? Because it definitely can be easier to have a separate bank account. If you guys have any other video suggestions or questions you'd like for me to answer in a video, make sure to leave it down below. I am also hosting a giveaway very soon on my business Instagram page, and I wanted to know if you guys are interested in me sharing how I set up a giveaway. Giveaway is a great way to get new followers, new customers, new clients. It's a great way to get yourself out there, get more exposure in a short amount of time. So if you guys would like for me to show you how I'm doing that step by step, then I can definitely do that for you. Just let me know in the comments below. Make sure you guys subscribe so you don't miss any more videos. I have been told that these videos are super helpful, so I plan on making more for you guys. It would help me out so much if you could subscribe, like this video if you like more content, and leave me a comment down below, and I'll catch you guys in my next video.